So I'm here with Roberto Frascari, one of the co-inventors of the Keppe motor. And maybe for you who don't know exactly what it is, I would like Roberto to give just a short explanation of the Keppe motor, what it is, where it comes from.
Yes, the Keppe motor. The Keppe motor was based mainly in the discoveries of Roberto Keppe, who applied this inverted metaphysics in this book, explaining that the physics usually think in a wrong way. They think in an inverted way. It's not that the energy comes from matter. The energy is in the space, in reality, and this energy, that makes matter. So matter is this energy condensed. So we try to develop a motor based in this principle, and we arrive what we call now the Keppe motor, that because of this resonance of this energy that we get in this motor, we can get like between 70 to 90% economy in relation to the traditional motors.
I have heard from people who are physicists and engineers that this economy of 80 or 90%, it's already in itself a miracle in terms of comparison to other motors. It doesn't really exist, this kind of economy of energy, of saving.
Yes, this is very unusual in the regular motor that we use in our house and in the factories. So to arrive in an economy like this is almost impossible. But we got, because we have this inverted mind of this inverted metaphysics that shows that is the energy that makes matter and makes the movement too.
And for traditional physics, this is something totally new.
This is totally new, because the traditional physics, like Einstein used to say, E equal to mc square. So he relates always energy with matter. But with this inverted metaphysics shows that matter is energy, and the energy is in the space and makes everything. So this is a totally different thinking of the traditional physics.
So you are using this energy and not destroying the matter like we normally do. We extract energy from matter and we destroy the natural resources and we consume the planet to try to find this energy. And with this Keppe motor, you can actually solve this energy crisis in a way for this planet, right?
Right, because like the gasoline, we burn, we extract, we pollute, because we want to extract this energy from this matter. Or the coal, or another source. There are another cleaner like wind and sun, but it was not very practical, because it doesn't produce enough energy for the traditional motors. But with our motor, we will be able to use all this energy, like wind and sun, in much better way. So we are like opening a new way to use this energy in very efficient way. So we can dispollute the planet in this way.
And it never gets warm, right? This is what I have noticed, because we have one also at the school where I work, and it's on for hours, but the motor never gets hot.
That's right. The regular motor, they lose energy by heating. So what happens in a fan? We have this heating of the motor on the back, that the wind that the fan blows is heated. But in our motor, because it's very efficient, it doesn't heat. So in this way, the motor of the ventilator is fresher.
The wind is fresh, yes. It cools down. Now I'm from Sweden, and we also have Russians here at the forum who have come to see, because in our countries it's not needed to have a fan. It's already very cold. So people are asking over there if it would be possible to use this energy also to heat up, maybe as a heating pump, or is there any application that could be used for heating up too?
Of course, any way that we use motors to heat, it will be possible much better with our motor because it's much more efficient and economic. So we are going to get heat with much less cost and much less extraction of energy from the planet. So, like the heat pump is a way to get this energy from motors. And there is another ways that we can study it.
And you are studying other applications too, besides the fans, or how people are so curious about the development of this motor. People, especially who don't have this chance to be here in Brazil and see the new applications.
Yes, we are trying now to increase the power of the motor that we will be able to use in factories, even cars. So we have just to study the motor in a way to grow up this power, its power.
Okay. Le sabe mais. And just one more question. People are asking also if about many schools are interested, different academies, universities, schools, and they are asking, are there any studies based on this, any independent studies? Are there any scientific papers published on this? People are so enthusiastic and they are looking for more material about this subject.
Yes, we are producing material, and we are giving a course that it shows how to fabricate this motor, because this motor is not really complicated. It's very easy to do. And we show in courses this.
Okay, we thank Roberto. Okay, now we are going to see one of Roberto Frascari's colleagues, work colleagues.
Raimundo, he works with us. He's a specialist in this kind of material of schools that measures the motor, and he's checking that our motor is really economic with these panels that we are going to use in universities, so he can tell something about the motor for us.
Thank you very much, Roberto.